Good morning. Welcome to Homestead Kitchen Living. It's another rainy morning here at Homestead Kitchen Living. So, feeling like some croissant. Why not? I'll give it a shot at it. So, this morning we're going to make homemade croissant rolls. Want to see how that works out? Follow me along in this video. My God, what did you eat?
Alright guys, I have about a half a cup of water set to about 112 degrees, and I have some active yeast, dry yeast. I'm going to mix this in here like this. It's called proofing the yeast. I have here a quarter of a cup of sugar total. Dump some of that into here and give the yeast something to feed on. Alright guys, after about 5 minutes or so, it looks like it's foaming up top here. You want to take a look? That looks like that's foaming. So, I'm going to say at this point, the yeast is indeed proven. One egg. 1 tablespoon of shortening, vegetable shortening, 2 tablespoons of softened butter. I'm going to sift in 1 cup of flour to start this process. And now we're going to mix this all together. That appears to be nice and smooth. So here we go, we're going to add a little more flour. I've got another entire cup of flour to mix in with this. We're going to keep mixing until it becomes a dough type of mix. So, sprinkle a little flour on here. This process is called kneading the dough. We knead the dough for the Crescent Rolls. Get it? We knead the dough. Without the dough, we won't have Crescent Rolls, right? So we knead the dough for the Crescent Rolls that we're making. Alrighty, let's clean this up. And we'll return this bowl cleaned out, and I'll put a little bit of Pam on there to give you a coating so that this does not stick as it begins to rise. I'm going to cover this up with my pretty little kitchen towel here. Give this about an hour or an hour and a half to do its job and rise, and we'll check back with you in a little bit. Okay, we ready for the unveiling? It grew a little bit. Put a little flour on there for a cup out there, huh? I'll bet I could put some pizza sauce on this and make some pizza out of this right now. What do you think? For those of you who don't think I make mistakes, I just made one. I forgot the butter. The buttered croissant rolls. Let's start doing this project the right way. Alright, it looks like they grew a little bit. Let's put these in the oven. See what happens.
Here you go, guys. Fresh, warm, buttered crescent dinner rolls. Oh yeah, love it. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Just remember, when the going gets tough, it's tough to find something to eat. Best way to do that is cook it yourself. Homestead kitchen living. Making cooking fun again. Don't forget, if you liked it, click the like button, subscribe, share it with a friend. Don't forget to remember to thank our Creator. My prayer is that Jesus would keep you safe until we meet again. Thanks again.